Right, so we are now in the car. It is so rainy out, it's awful. But we need to pop into town, pay some money and stuff into the bank, get some shopping, might pick up something for lunch as well. And I did say to Arch we might get some new pens, didn't we? New colouring book, most new paints?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh. Oh.
As soon as it's going to be super rainy, we need something to do inside so it doesn't drive me wild. What have you got?
The crane.
Your crane? Wow! I also made the beautiful mistake of leaving my car door open whilst they put Arch in his car seat. So it's rained inside as well. Amazing. Right, so we are now home. It was very rainy, Archie's got very wet. But we've run our moments in town, gone snagging stuff, and then got some bits from Home Bargains. So we got a colouring book. It was like 69p. We got a pencil case because we got some pens. I thought Arch would like a little pencil case, that was that kind of thing. New felt tips so he doesn't keep using our Sharpies. Fruit stars just because they're a great sweetie choice. And we've got some paints. I got a big yellow poster paint. A big red one, I think it was like 99p each. And then Arch saw the glitter ones, wanted glitter. So we've got some glittery blue and some glittery green. So we can do some crafty days because it's going to be raining a lot for the next few days. So yeah, now we're going to have some dinner, bought some sausage rolls for lunch. So we're going to eat those, watch a bit of telly and then get crafting. What have you got? Sausage roll? Did you have a good time in town? What did you do in town? Did you do lots of splashing?
A big one.
In the big ones? What did you see? A Nina? A fire engine? Wow, what a great day!
In the middle of the giant picture.
Following the words. The glittery green. Glitter eyes. Where's the eyes? There. Glittery green eyes. What are you making me? What are you making me? You're making me pizza?
There's a big one that.
A big one? I'm really excited.
That
Thank you.
does.
Huh? That was lovely.
That one does. Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
That one does.
Is that one mine?
No, it's not.
You cheeky. Did you eat it? Oh, yucky. Is the light on? Look at you, Chef Archie. Doing some cooking in your sofa kitchen.
It's still hot.
Is it hot still? You drying your mower? Good lad. Well done? Oh! Oh, bless him. Running! I feel like it looks like I've got a proper pea head. So Archie's now playing outside in the grass, in the rain. He wants to mow the grass, so that's what he's doing. I've tidied up the living room, ish. I mean, I hoovered and did the floor, so that will do. I'm not really feeling very well today though. Not really sure why. Just been a bit woozy, a bit lightheaded, and I've drunk quite a lot, and I felt like it in town and was walking through town and I was like, oh, am I gonna be okay? I don't know. And I was, obviously, I was fine. But I have actually drunk and I did eat lunch, so I'm not really sure. Don't know, just need to take it easy or maybe drink some more water. Maybe that's it, maybe I need more water. Maybe I'm just not hydrated enough. We'll see, but yeah. So plan for the rest of the evening is I need to tidy the bedroom because that is an absolute tip, like diabolical. Need to do dinner. That's pretty much it. There's a couple of like little things on my to-do list that I want to get done, but apart from that, nothing much. It is actually much later now. Archie has just had dinner and we are currently racing trains before bedtime. We did have a bit of a debate over a sandwich, but he's eaten half, so I'm going with that, aren't we? And now we're racing trains.
That is the same.
Push that one up.